Of my train. So peak size seems better in this phone. I don't know why it's not departing. It is Bangalore at how it can reach at 6:45 and Bangalore so much network there. 7:30 is the time. It will reach after 8 only. 7 as it takes already 12:06. Rani Chennamma departed after 15 minutes also. Why is it waiting 20 minutes? Battery becomes 26%. Is it because it's a mummy's profile or what? I don't know. That local is coming where is depart? Yeah, pass. Good for me also. And go back to sleep. That tension one. Some things I may miss. One knows because late I may get us or something. That Bangalore, is it waiting for Bangalore Express? That is still far. It was an Navalgund when I checked 10 minutes ago. Once that has only departed. Departing. Guy entered. 12:06. So 49 he came. 59 0 1 2 3 4 17 minutes. Maybe there's a track switch here once it's local crossed it. Local lights seem off. Or is it this other wap7 honk or that wap7 the side of that it's moving. Someone is peeing dirty water. It's also feel of Hubballi full of feel of. Before that I'll quickly see this side. At least for half kilometer there is no local. Not half. See this 304164 is blocks. See this local will block that local now. That is one 30271. Yes, 30201 or 38271. 2 times now. See my train departed just in time. A little later, Mr. Wap7. 286 right came, huh? Rare to see right in Hubballi junction. Usually take bypass, no? Still I could see the number 30271. I thought it was blocked. Because of this caboose front I was able to see. That's why I think our departed late. So long, no? It will occupy the track. And then Navalgund train will wait to it. It's switching the track. And slowly we can. I think my local pilot is scared where it may hit that side. No, there's no another switching to that side. Correct. Pause now. So much long this way. I'll go back to my coach. This side I may miss something. I'm not realizing. Some train is there. But bright it is nicely. That's battery. Continue here and that's why nothing is there. No, that's right. Looks like some wap7. No. Well, 7 is it? There's some EM loco also here. Loco passes before flight finishes. Hubballi, Ranebennur. There's a train only till Ranebennur. Didn't know. How far is this flight? Wow, such a long flight. It's quite long. Come on. 368 already. Come on, pass. That's right. It's right halted on anything. It's blocking all views that side. So many nice locals would have been there. This style of locals parking at the side. Last time in arrival I would have seen all this. Rani Chennamma already arrived. Which is the train opposite? 2054 W4C. How big this slow I think. Which is this train? SR. The road or what? 32465. I missed front. The road only. So dirty it is. Oh, came on time. Oh, there are no locals that side luckily. At least not till where I can see. Shit, missed this 4057 on time saw. Just on time I was really looking there. Which is this lock now? Vista don't go. You can hear EMD other side or what? Vista don't go. Bit inside and stand. It gives there. could be some Mangalore Express. Okay, the MD is here, came on time. 4044 it's here. I saw it in Belgaum when coming with Rani Chennamma. I saw something. Which was this train on it in the end. Just missed that big board. 40448. Nice, so huge it looks. Let me see fast. Any locos here? It's blocking everything. It's right now, they block everything. Luckily, I touched the shoulder, I don't get angry. Some people are fighting on me. Why are you capturing? Why are you capturing? Most of Hubballi is over. It's quite empty and expected. It's not that big also. It's only that biggest platform. Huh? Go my mask. Siddharuja Swamiji Hubballi. Now here I cannot see any loco for far. So I will go this side. Oh, I missed something. No, it is still this. Again there is one more coach here. Still there is quiet. The Saturday the Gadak side came. The Mangalore, Vijaypur Mangalore super special, not runs very well. Then should meet it here at outer. But outer they wait very inside. They don't come near where you can see. It's all fully dark. 467, almost 2 kilometers this side it is. Again switching sides. Chalo, I will go this side. 20 is the speed limit now. Quickly I'll say this side. There's some this trains there. So it is here. Very nice to capture in the day. No? One more Euclid station. There are no locos much. Now this will give a view how many locos, and it's too bright it is. I think I should reduce my this brightness. Maybe normal only it will be best. Gadak side it should be. The internet is on. Showing ulti Iverton. As of now can't see any loco. Inside there will be locos. You cannot see. This side is so sunsan. Imagine building a house, a nice building. Pick. For it a more nice. You can see the staircase made like to climb. I'm missing some crane is there. So many tracks. And then let me go that side fast. 5 seconds. Oh, there's that Gadak lines. I missed that crane. So we can take that building here. So many flights are there. Slow down. Okay, it's only this much. The green light. Pick. I didn't take photo for it. Nice. Pick with video. With some light cam. Complicated cranes. After this nothing, na? This guy is looking at me. Not RPM get there. See that Gadak side came on time. This also is what? So many Utkrist trains. Some I missed. I have come 5-10 seconds earlier. Look at this man. This time 3-phaser memo in Hubballi. Where to see. So how much time it takes to pass the full thing? 12 minutes. 9 minutes video. When it departed? 17 minutes, na? 49, 59, 12, 6 or something. Full jerk. Suddenly. Luckily I was near the railing holding. Chalo, over. That's the Hubballi diesel location. Now I'm inside. Big jerk it gave, and it would have started accelerating in this point. Till Hubballi South I will wait, then I will go. Sometimes on low trains wait there for Rihanna Damanagere and all I want to see, but I have to sleep also. Even if I don't get sleep, but it will be interesting. Haveri and all. Like, usually fried locals will be there. I've seen many times fried locals at Haveri. I've not gone much. When I went with it, then shut up, it was there. Some green EMDLC, that means Chalo. Please hold this one. So this side there is no track, no? Far I can see highway. I think that is the Gadag Solapur and Interleaf. Yeah, another track came here. Please south maybe, it's accelerating. Should be careful. 1260. So all diesel locals say that after come here in daytime, buy a new phone and then come to diesel. From Bangalore for some Belgaum belt. Please also in Goa. That's why track is there, that's why no loco. Did I mean? There some train is waiting. I told her this how to be interesting. Other side I may miss some loco. That has OHE on top and all. If there was any crossing, I would have missed it. Peace out. I thought I missed it. More electric. Shining new day. This zoomed. Chalo over. Enough. Took 12 minutes. Say 13. 12.1235. That was. 30 minutes to cross this point. Lower leaf. How is it on this side? Now it's slowing down, right?